come back to the next session. That is question number series 11. Edge length of the cube is 400 picometer. That is nothing but A value 400 picometer. Its body diagonal would be body diagonal D is equal to root 3A. Body diagonal D is equal to root 3A, root 3A. Root 3 into A value directly they have given as a 400 picometer, because in all the four options they are given in picometer itself. No need to change. So root 3 into 400. We know root 3 value 1.732, consistency value 1.732 into 400. We are getting 692.8 picometer, approximately 693 picometer. Is the correct answer. So in solid, AB having the sodium chloride structure of atom occupy the corners of the cubic unit cell and B atom at edges, and if all the face-centered atoms along one of the axes are removed, then the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is. Once again, I'm repeating the question. In a solid AB having the NaCl structure, A atoms are occupying the corners of the cubic unit cell. B atom occupy at the edges. If all the face-centered atoms along one of the axes are removed, and the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is. What is the formula? I mean AB2 or A2B or A4B3 or A3B4. Let us see, corner of the unit cell is nothing but 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 8 cancel equal to 1. Then A atom or occupied in a FCC. It is nothing but face-centered cubic. I mean NaCl is nothing but a rock salt. It is octahedral structure or FCC structure. So it is all axis and along face-centered atoms along one of the axes are removed, means 2 atoms are removed, 6 minus 2, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The formula of A is equal to 3. And B atom at the edges, we all know 12 into 1 by 4, it is nothing but 3. At the body is equal to 1. So it is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So formula of A is 3 and formula of B is 4. So A3, B4 is the formula. A3 and B4. And question number 13. Let us see. The metal crystallizes into two cubic faces, face-centered cubic HCC and body-centered cubic BCC, whose unit cell length are 3.5 and 3.0 Armstrong degree respectively of FCC and BCC. Calculate the ratio of the densities of face-centered cubic and a body-centered cubic, HCC and a BCC. The options are 1, 1.5, 1.3 and 1.26. The formula of the density is Zm by A cubed into Avogadro number. So in this case, that the molecular mass and Avogadro number are same. So we will see the density is related to the number of atoms are present in the unit cell Z by A cubed. So the formula is density of FCC divided by density of BCC is equal to Z FCC by Z BCC into, just interchanging this because A cubed is inversely proportional to the density, directly proportional to the number of the atoms in the unit cell. So rho is directly proportional to Z but inversely proportional to A cubed. So we can write the reciprocal of this A body-centered cubic divided by A of FCC, the whole cube. A is in a cube. So what substituting for FCC, I already told Z is equal to 4. For BCC, Z is equal to 2. So 4 by 2 into, for A body-centered cubic and a face-centered cubic, already they are given For FCC 3.5, for BCC 3. So 3 by 3.5, the whole cube. Substituting all values, we are getting 1.26. Next question. Number 14. The radius of the metal have been, expressed in terms of length of the unit cell. It is A by 2 for simple cubic lattice and root 3 A by 4 for BCC lattice is correct. This is also correct. And for BCC is correct. And for FCC, A by 2 into root 2 is correct. So all of them. So SC is equal to A is equal to 2 or R is equal to A by 2. For BCC, 4R is equal to root 3A by root 3A. So R is equal to root 3A by 4. For FCC, 4R is equal to root 2A. Therefore, R is equal to root 2A by 4. So 4 we can write as a 2 into 2. So each 2 is nothing but root 2 into 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So substitute 2 root 2 for instead of 1 2. So root 2 into root 2 instead of this 2 and into 2. This root 2 and this root 2 cancel. So the A divided by root 2 into 2. So almost all the answers are correct. All the above is the correct answer. This is already I have given this flow chart. Please by heart this flow chart, helpful for you. Almost taking the calculation for edge length and the distance between the nearest neighbors d value and our radius of the radius of the atom. And last question of this series is: a crystal is made of particle x, y and z. X forms FCC pattern, and Y occupies all the octahedral void of X, and Z occupies all tetrahedral void of X. If all the particles along one body diagonal or removed, then the formula of the crystal would be. So let us see which formula is correct formula. First, X, Y, Z. X is nothing but it is a FCC face centered and corner. First at the corners 8 into 1 by 8 and is equal to 1. For FCC I told you 4 walls, one classroom, 4 walls are touching one roof and the floor. So it is a 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is the X value. Then Y is nothing but edge length in a body centered. So 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 and body is only 1. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Y value is equal to 4. Z is tetrahedral void of X. So tetrahedral void of X is tetrahedral void of X. So there is nothing but the formula of tetrahedral void is 2n. So here it is FCC. Z is equal to, almost in octahedral void and tetrahedral voids or FCC only. So please by heart this tetrahedral void and octahedral voids always belongs to FCC. So 2n formula. So that is FCC, Z is equal to 4. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Z is equal to 8 value. So this is one cubic. Always the tetrahedral void is present at the edges, corner. At the center one octahedral. So it is a body diagonal. In a body diagonal, this is called body diagonal. And the corners, 2 tetrahedral voids, top and bottom 2 tetrahedral voids. Center always one octahedral void and 2 corners, 2 tetrahedral voids. So 2 corners, 2 particles are removed in X. So 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6 into 1 by 8 plus FCC 6 by 2. So what we are getting 6 by 8 plus 6 by 2 value is 3. So here we can minimize this. 2, 3 times in 6 and 4 times in 8. So 3 upon 4 in plus 3, taking LCM, 4 by 3 plus 3 by 1. So 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 4, 12 plus 12 by 4 into 1, 4, 15 by 4. So the x value after removing two particles, 15 by 4. Y octahedral void is equal to one body is removed. So 4 minus 1, 3. Y value is 3. Then Z as a 2 octahedral void is removed. So Z value is 8 minus removing 2 tetrahedral void is equal to 6. So the x value would be 15 by 4, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 6. So x 15 by 4, y 3, z 6. Removing this denominator value 4 multiplied by 4 the whole formula. So 15 by 4 into 4, 3 into 4, 6 into 4. 4 will be cancelled. So x 15, y 3 into 4, 12, z 6 into 4, 24. Divided by 3. So x value, 15 by 3, we are getting 5. And 12 by 3, we are getting 4. And 24 by 3 are getting 8. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 8. So x formula x5, y4, z8 is the correct form. Just go through, students. Thanks for watching, students. If you like, please subscribe it, students.